Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open a Capital One bank checking account online. So first we're going to go to our browser. So we're going to search for capitalone.com. As you can see, this is their official website. So next we're going to click on checkings and savings. From here we're going to click on 360 checking. So here we're going to be suggested to open an account. We're going to click on it. So since we don't have the account, we're going to click on no, then click on continue. So we're going to write our name here. Then next we're going to write our email addresses here as well. So here they're going to make us write our phone number. So once we write this, we're also going to be asked other information such as our social security number and other identifications. So once we do that, we're done. So this is how you open your Capital One bank account online. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more. Goodbye.